I feel very bored today. What can I do? I got an idea. I have A4 sheet, different colors. Okay, let's do an activity.
I have taken an A4 sheet for this activity. Draw any attractive border on the A4 sheet. Now I am going to draw a carrot. You know what is a carrot? Carrot is a vegetable. For this carrot, I am going to take orange color fabric paint for fingerprinting. Okay? Now take a pencil and draw the outline of a carrot. You can try by yourself. If you can't draw by yourself, you can ask the help of your parent for the outline of the carrot. You know what is the color of the carrot? Carrot is very good for health. It's a healthy vegetable. Okay? Carrot is orange in color. Now I have finished drawing a carrot. Okay? Now use your fingers for fingerprint. This is your index finger. Can you see? This is your index finger. Now show your index finger. Very good. It's correct. You have to dip your index finger in the paint. Now fix it on the paper like this. You should also eat carrot every day. We have completed the orange part of the carrot. Something is left there. Can you see what is that? Yes, that is the leaf of the carrot. Do you know what is the color of the leaf? It's green color. Yes. Now the same index finger we are going to dip in the green color and press it on the paper. You have to cover the leaf portion of the carrot. This fingerprint activity is very best activity for your finger. It develops your hand and eye coordination. It strengthens your finger. It gives you a good handwriting. If you try this in your home, it is a very good fine motor activity. Okay? Yes, we have finished our activity. Now we have finished. I am going to take the marker and draw the outline of the carrot. This outline makes your fingerprint activity more beautiful. Yes, it's very colorful, isn't it? Okay, try this in your home. I have also made some more fingerprint activity for you. This is fingerprint peacock. It is very beautiful peacock. isn't it? This is a colorful peacock, isn't it?
5 little crayons. 5 little crayons colored a scene. Yellow, blue, orange, red and green. Look, said yellow, my sun is bright. Blue said, my river is just right. Orange said, flowers, I will draw something new. Red said, great, I will add something too. Ho, said green, I'm tired of trees and grasses and bushes and tiny leaves. I think I will draw a big green cloud. A big green cloud should be allowed. The crayons all smiled and didn't think twice. A big green cloud sounded rather nice.
The word of the day is pretty. Children, do you know the meaning of the word pretty? It means beautiful, awesome, colorful, bright. Okay, now shall we see some sentence using the word pretty? Okay, fine. What a pretty sound! You are looking so pretty. It was a pretty place. Your mom looks so pretty.
Look around me. What are these? These are some objects. How they look? Are they same? No, they are different. How they are different? They are different in shapes. Let's see what is the first shape. What is this? This is circle. Shall we see some objects in circle shape? Yes. What are they? Plate. See here? Plate. Next, clock. Clock. Next, moon. Moon is circle in shape. Moon is circle in shape. Next, dosa. Do you all like dosa? Dosa is in what shape? It is in circle shape. Okay, dosa is in circle shape. And next, did you all see sun? Sun is in what shape? Circle. See here, sun is circle shape. Now the second shape is square. What is this? Square. Shall we see some objects in square? First object is gift box. What is the shape of this gift box? Square. What is the shape of the gift box? Square. Next, see this chessboard. What is the shape of this chessboard? Square. The shape of the chessboard is square. Next, see this carom. What is the shape of this carom? It is also in square shape. It is also in square shape. Okay, now the next shape is rectangle. The next shape is rectangle. We can see some objects in rectangle shape. Okay, see the objects. This is blackboard. What is the shape of this blackboard? It is a rectangle shape. What is the shape of this blackboard? Rectangle shape. The next object is television. You all having in your home, no? Television. What is the shape of this television? It is in rectangle shape. What is the shape of this television? Rectangle shape. Okay, the next object is door. What is the shape of this door? It is in rectangle shape. Now we can go to the next shape. The next shape is triangle. The next shape is triangle. See here, triangle. We can see some objects in triangle shape. First object is samosa. Do you all like samosa? Yes. The shape of this samosa is triangle. And next, piece of pizza. You also like pizza. The shape of the piece of pizza is triangle. And next object is cone. What is the shape of this cone? It is also a triangle. Children,
We are going to do a shapes activity now. Are you all ready? Shall we start the activity now? I have placed different shaped objects here. I will call out the shape. You have to pick the correct shape from these objects. Shall I say the shape now? The first shape is square. Fast, fast, fast. Pick all the square shaped objects from there. Yes, I think you have picked everything. Very good. So, these are the square shaped objects placed there. Okay. Now, the next shape is circle. Pick the circle shaped objects from here. Very good. These are the circle shaped objects. Now, the next shape is triangle. Pick all the triangle shaped objects from here. Yes, it's over. Very good. These are the triangle shaped objects. Try this activity at your home with the objects that you have. Okay?